If you want to master options trading for beginners in 2026, you have to stop guessing and start calculating. Most traders fail because they just don't understand the probability of profit. When you trade options, you're becoming the house. Lots of traders try day trading because they think that they're going to spend $1,000 and make $100,000. But the likelihood of that happening is so small. And all the work and anxiety that comes with it. Staring at screens all day? Why do that when you could just trade options? I'm going to show you in this video just how easy it is, and stay until the end because I have something super special for you that you're not going to want to miss. All right, guys, we're going to talk through my favorite strategy, selling a put. Basically, you're just promising to buy a stock that you like anyway if it goes on sale. If it doesn't go down in price, you don't buy the stock, but guess what? You got paid just to make that commitment. Now, here's a cool tool that I built that I use myself and you can use too. It's going to help me look at different trades super easy so I can make more efficient decisions and faster. Now, it's got a few features, but we're going to go to the short puts feature. And you can manually enter the information, but there's such an easier way. You can use the live data feed, and basically what you're doing is connecting an API that pulls all the pricing data. So I have a few different broker dealers already connected, including Alpaca, Tradier, and Schwab. I trade through Schwab, so I'm going to use Schwab in the example. Now, I already have my keys here, but don't worry. If you don't have an API key, it's super easy. Basically, you would just click this help button here, and it walks through step by step. And once you have your API keys, you're just going to authorize the app. Now, the cool part about connecting your data is because it makes the app so much easier. Let me show you what I mean. So for example, let's say I want to look at trading NVIDIA because I like NVIDIA. I like AI and I like the company. I'm just going to type the ticker symbol in here, and then I'm going to fetch the data. Now, I can choose the expiration date. Now, today's Friday the 20th, and the market's already closed. But let's say I want to take a look at a Monday contract, March 23rd. I can also indicate what risk level I want to take. I can be conservative, mid-range, or aggressive. Let's start with conservative. I click the calculate button and it pulls up this particular contract here. So it tells us a couple things on this page. Right now, NVIDIA is trading at 172.70. And if I wanted to sell an 8 delta put, what that means is there's approximately an 8% likelihood the price of NVIDIA would fall from where it is now, 172.70, below 165 before Monday, end of day. Not very likely. In fact, it would have to drop about 4.5%, as we can see here. So it's a 165 strike price. It's trading at 19 cents, which means $19 would get dropped into our account. And it also gives us the capital that we need if we were selling a cash secured put, $16,500. Now, it calculates our rate of return and then annualizes that out for us. Now, $19 is not a lot of money, so you might want to look at a different trade. Let's say we wanted to go a little bit closer to the money. Well, we would just click the mid-range risk level, and it pulls up some additional strike prices. So, for example, if we wanted to use a 170 strike, well, that's going for a bit more money, 78 cents, meaning $78 would get dropped into our account. Now, this is a 0 DTE trade, meaning if I entered this trade Monday morning, this has a Monday expiration. So if I'm putting up $17,000 in capital to make the trade and I'm making $78, I'm making almost 0.5% on my money for one day. Well, if I did a trade like that every day, I would be annualizing my rate of return out to be over 115% per year. Now, let's say you don't want to do a short-term trade. Let's say you want to go out a little bit longer. Let's say about a month, for example. Well, we could just choose April 17th as an example, and we can go conservative again, hit calculate, and it brings us the details for the April 17th contract. Now, if we want to be conservative, we can do $140 strike price, $145, $150, and the app just updates at the click of a button. We can also change the ticker if we'd like. Let's look at Tesla for a moment. Now, I like Tesla. That's one of my favorite tickers. And let's look at a Wednesday contract, the 25th of March. And let's say I want to be aggressive and I want to sell a put a little bit closer to the money because I'm totally fine buying 100 shares of Tesla. If I did have to buy the shares, I would just turn right around and sell a covered call against them. So it pulls up these different contracts. The default will be right in the middle, 362.50, and this contract is going for $495, meaning $495 gets dropped into your account right when you make the trade. This is so much better than trading stock. When you buy stock, you have to hope and pray that it goes up. And then even if it does go up, you don't actually make any cash in your pocket. You only make paper gains. But you see, when you sell puts, especially on quality companies that you don't mind buying anyway, you're paid up front, and it's a win-win because even if the stock price goes down, you're buying a stock that you like on sale. And again, this calculator crunches all the math for us. In this case, I would have to put up $38,250 because this is a $382.50 strike price. It's paying $495 that I keep no matter where the stock goes. And I'm literally making 1.37% on my money for 3 days time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now this calculator has a ton of other features. I'm not gonna walk through them in this video, but I'm gonna put the details in the pinned comment below. And right now there's a special promotion that the first 7 days is free on the monthly plan. That gives you the time to check it out without even having to pay anything. Do you guys see how easy this is? Can you see yourself doing this day by day or week to week or month to month? Here's the great part. You choose what works for your lifestyle. If you want to put in a trade that expires the same day, great. If you want to look at 2 or 3 days away, great. If you want to look at a week or a month, fantastic. The concepts work regardless of how much money you have, how little money you have. And for those of you who need a little extra help, I run a small live group every Monday, 12 o'clock Pacific time. The details are in the comments below. If this video helped, smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss new content. In the meantime, happy trading.